Illinois, a lot of people think driving on a suspended or revoked license is just a heavy ticket. They think they'll pay a fine, maybe get a lecture from a judge, and go home. But Illinois law treats this like a ticking time bomb. Under the Illinois statute 625 ILCS 5/6-303, the law isn't just looking at what you did today, it's looking at why you were suspended and how many times you've been caught before. Today, we're breaking down the penalty spiral, how a simple misdemeanor can turn into a mandatory prison sentence faster than you think. Let's start at the beginning. For most people, a first-time arrest is a Class A misdemeanor. The basics: jail time, up to 364 days. Fines, up to $2,500 plus court assessments. The kick: the Secretary of State will automatically double your original suspension or add another year to your revocation. The DUI Clause, 6-303C. Here is the first big trap. If your license was suspended because of a DUI, a summary suspension, or leaving the scene of an accident, the law takes away the judge's discretion. You face a mandatory minimum of either 10 days in jail or 30 days, 240 hours, of community service. You cannot negotiate these away. This is where things get life-changing. If you get caught a second time, the penalties don't just double, they change categories. Scenario A, administrative reasons, 6-303A. If you were suspended for things like unpaid tolls or child support, a second offense is still a Class A misdemeanor, but you now face a mandatory 100 hours of community service. Scenario B, the DUI/serious offense path, Class 4 felony. If your original suspension was for a DUI or a fatal accident, your second arrest becomes a Class 4 felony. Prison, 1 to 3 years. Mandatory minimum, 30 days in jail or 300 hours of community service. Fines, up to $25,000. Illinois law has specific tiers for persistent violators. If you keep driving, the mandatory minimums become massive. 4th to 9th offense, still a Class 4 felony, but you now face a mandatory 180 days in jail. 10th to 14th offense. This jumps to a Class 3 felony. You're looking at 2 to 5 years in prison, and it is non-probationable. That means if you're convicted, you must go to prison. 15th offense or more. You've reached the Class 2 felony level, 3 to 7 years in the Department of Corrections. Before we wrap up, you need to know about aggravating factors. Reckless homicide, 6-303B-5. If your license was revoked for reckless homicide, even a first offense is a Class 4 felony with 30 days of jail or 300 hours of service. The Plate Seizure, 6-303CE-2. By your 4th conviction, the court can seize your license plates or immobilize your car entirely. Accidents. If you cause a crash that results in personal injury while driving on a suspended license, it can be upgraded to a Class 4 felony immediately under 6303A3. The moral of the story? Illinois does not forget your driving record. Every arrest builds on the last one until you are facing years behind bars. If you're currently suspended, stop driving and start the administrative process to get your license back before that next arrest happens. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Check the description for the specific 625 ILCS 5/6-303 citations. Stay safe and keep it legal. If you have any questions related to driving with a suspended license or any criminal or other criminal offenses, contact the law offices of Mitch Furman today.